In today's video, I will tell you how to give an intramuscular injection. What is the correct anatomical position for it? What is the correct technique for an intramuscular injection? And what we need to give an injection. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. Let's start with the video. So guys, for an intramuscular injection, we need a syringe, the injection medication, and an alcohol swab. Then we will take the injection according to the doctor's prescription. We will take the syringe according to the patient's muscle. Then the injection ampule has to be broken and filled into the syringe. And the injection has to be given at the correct anatomical position. Alright, now watch the video carefully.